Yes, you're welcome to Harrizonal's communication. This is Techno Phantom 9. I want to introduce you to this phone of so many varieties. It's a phone that you use and never regret, especially gotten from Harrizonal and Sons Communication. Okay, now this is the phone. I call it my baby because of the accessories, the fonts, the things enjoyable in it. Okay, Techno Phantom 9. Actually, it has 4 cameras beside it, 4 flashlights. Even at night, it snaps and makes it clear as if it is day. And from the front, it has 2 cameras with double flashlights. As you can see here, we have 128 gig ROM and 6 gig RAM. It is actually a 4G phone and 350 battery capacity. Okay, let me take you down to its accessory. Okay, as you can see, the battery, the charger is new and very efficient. Very efficient at Harrizonal Sons and Communications. We make things very affordable and cheap. Contact us today and never regret it. We promise to give you the best services that you have never ever experienced. Patronize us and enjoy our products. Okay, Phantom 9 is actually a phone for everybody, a phone you use and you know the true meaning of happiness. Like I said earlier, it is a full screen phone. It has everything in it, everything well configured. The fingerprint is highly sensitive. It is an electrotic fingerprint. From the back, let's see. As you can see, it has a G sensor, an ambient light sensor, a proximity sensor, and also, as I said before, it is all written down here. 2.35G octal. It is a revolutionary phone, a connectivity of GPS, Wi-Fi, BT, which is the Bluetooth OTG. Okay, the front megapiece is 32 megapiece front camera and dual flash, 16 megapiece for the first back camera, secondly by 2 megapiece from the second back camera, 8 megapiece for the 3 back camera, and all camera has its flashlight. Okay, yes, as for your selfie, you're welcome. This one gives you the best selfie ever that makes your life comfortable and sweet. Patronize Harrizonal and Sons Communication today and never regret it. Thank you very much, because I know and we're expecting your patronage.